Hi everyone, today we are going to make ginger tea in the microwave in less than 2 minutes. There are times when we are really tired and wish for a tea that is quick and strong. So here is our tea. It's strong, it tastes good, it's gingery, it has a nice flavor. What else do you want? So let's get started. Today I'm here with my daughter and she'll be putting all the ingredients for the ginger tea. So here we need half a cup of water, 1 tea bag, ginger, 1/4 cup of milk, sugar. I like my tea to be a little bit sweet, so I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. So first you need half cup of water. This is the size of the cup. And in this cup, I'm going to add tea bags, ginger, add the whole thing, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar, and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, this is how the concentrate looks like. And in this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of milk. You can add milk based on your taste. I really like a lot of milk in my tea. Add. Okay. And then we are going to put this in the microwave for another 35 seconds. So see, this is a nice concentrated ginger tea. So now what I'm going to do is take out the tea bag and the ginger from it. So mix everything, and then what we have to do?
Take out the tea bag.
And the ginger. So there you go. Ginger tea is ready. Enjoy. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.